Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. In this video, I am going to show you modular kitchen tiles design ideas for your home. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dear friends, a well-decorated kitchen space is the heart and soul of a home. There is a wide range of stunning kitchen tiles available that can modify the look and feel of the kitchen space. The vast variety of kitchen tile designs available here is made with advanced technology. Vitrified ceramic and porcelain are some of the material used in the manufacturing of these kitchen tile designs. Selecting kitchen design tiles is no easy job. When shopping for kitchen wall tiles, you may find yourself caught between picking a simple kitchen wall tile design and modern kitchen wall tile designs. Moreover, you also need to keep in mind the functionality of the kitchen wall tile. Intending to address all these concerns, we are presenting you with this pictorial guide which will assist you in selecting the perfect kitchen design tiles. One can also go in for a floral pattern designed ceiling with pop circle frames for 2 fans and lights. Moroccan tiles have long been used to turn all sorts of kitchen into vibrant and colorful spaces. They remain a sought-after kitchen wall tile option in modern homes. It is sure that you have kept the kitchen in the right direction based on the Vastu. Now it's time to choose the right tile design. Those who like to experiment would deeply appreciate the ever so slight quirkiness of hexagonal tiles as their kitchen design tile. Mix and match them in different color schemes or go for a simple tile color. The choice is completely yours. If you prefer marble, you could opt for kitchen wall tiles that offer a similar look. You can have the color of a similar tile for a wall, and the kitchen floor looks more classic. Green and white mosaic kitchen wall tiles serve the twin purpose of making a kitchen simple and elegant. You could opt for simple shapes and still make your kitchen look grand with elegant counter to ceiling backsplash kitchen tiles. Easy to clean, glass tile become an obvious choice as a kitchen wall tile option because of their functionality. The shiny and illuminating look of these tiles also works in favor of a glass kitchen wall tile design. You could mix two different types of kitchen wall tiles to create a unique appeal in your kitchen. In this particular kitchen, the ceramic tiles towards the top of and the modern backsplash created through porcelain tiles work wonders together. You do not have to opt for actual stone cladding to bring that look into your kitchen. It can be achieved through kitchen design tiles as shown in the video. Giving your kitchen an aesthetic appeal, ceramic and porcelain option would do remarkably well. White is no ordinary color and chevron is no ordinary pattern. The mixing of these two can bring out the best in your modern kitchen. In a minimalistic kitchen, white and black are some of the oft-used colors for kitchen wall tiles. To achieve the desired look, one can opt for ceramic tiles that would fit in the overall scheme of things. If the overall kitchen is in white, grey kitchen wall tiles would act as an accent and highlighters in your kitchen. Any kitchen can turn instantly attractive with the use of this grey and white honeycomb kitchen wall tile. Backsplash are not only functional, protecting your walls from splashes and spills, but they are fashionable too. Think of your backsplash as the jewelry to your kitchen, that little bit of sparkle that completes a look. Have fun and get creative with your backsplash while you protect the area around your sink, range and countertops. Glass texture tile, metallic tile, mosaic and a wide variety of options. There's a backsplash tile to reflect your unique style. Dear viewers, I hope you like this video. Please press the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.